Good evening, viewers. You are tuned into Darshan Meghalaya, and now we bring to you today's edition of the news. Before going to the details, let's take a glimpse of the news through the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Mann Ki Baat completes 11 years of engaging citizens. SSA teachers body to meet on 6th October over pay, TET and job security. Ignoring advisory proves costly as landslide damages vehicle at Pomlom along Shillong Dawki Road. And Umdihar Presbyterian Church hosts Food Fest for Youth Week and Synod preparation. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat has completed its 11th year today. The first episode of Mann Ki Baat was broadcast on 3rd October in 2014 on the occasion of Vijayadashami. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has addressed the nation in 126 episodes of the program. This program is not just a radio show, but a symbol of cultural and social transformation which has reached every corner of the country. Mann Ki Baat has not only transformed policies into people's movements, but has also demonstrated how a leader's voice can reach every part of the nation. The Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body, led by its President Aristotle Rimbai, has announced that it will convene a general meeting on 6th October at Madan Malki starting from 11 a.m. The meeting will primarily discuss the association's long-pending demands to the government, including regularization of services, implementation of a proper pay structure, and enhancement of salaries for SSA teachers. Members will also deliberate on the recent directive of the Supreme Court, which makes it mandatory for all teachers to clear the teachers' eligibility test.
Ang ipentip siya paro kinuhikay SSA hapo kasi baca dia ba kasengkan sepelong ya ka general meeting hakan rutrik jong dai Oktober jong tau senem hapo Madan Malki hakapor karbi bijuman step hakani ka general meeting hin sayo ban yakren Akbay day bat ka jingyay lenti jongi bat ka sorkar alor kimat jingdawa jongi kinohikay SSA.
Social activist and advocate Gerlang Su today raised issues relating to illegal coal mining in Lom Bangla East Janti Hills district, a site recently inspected by the MLA of Maulai, Bright Star Well Marbanyang. An active advocate against illegal coal mining, Su praised the Maulai MLA for bringing attention to the situation. He further reasoned whether the newly opened Sarinkham Scientific Coal Mining Project, as announced by the Chief Minister, will truly benefit the public.
And I am very grateful for the respected MLA from Maulai who have taken up these issues on his visit. He have highlighted so many issues, and whereby the district police chief, in a way, he tried to await the visit made by the legislator. The issues in Lombangla village need to be addressed in a proper way. I do have grievances on behalf of the people of Lombangla village, which I want to highlight to the government. But let's see, it's up to the government whether they want to respond to my to the grievances, which I will be highlighting, I can say.
A vehicle was damaged after boulders rolled down near Pomlom village along the Shillong Dawki Road on Thursday evening at around 7 p.m. Fortunately, all passengers escaped unharmed as they managed to get out of the car on time. Sources revealed that the vehicle was plying on the stretch despite a road closure order as loose rocks continued to fall from the hillside. Officials expressed concern over the disregard of safety advisories that advised commuters to remain cautious, discouraging night travel and movement during heavy rainfall, given the area's vulnerability to landslides, even in the absence of construction activities. The CE Society of the Presbyterian Church Umdihar today organized a food fest as part of the celebration of Youth Week and Youth Sunday, while also serving as a fundraising initiative to support the church in preparation for hosting the Ribhoi Synod Conference in 2027 at the Presbyterian Church Umdihar. The food festival witnessed active participation from the church youth, the women's fellowship, and all members of the congregation who contributed by preparing and showcasing a variety of traditional dishes for sale during the event.
Kanlong na di amin simya ki kun samla juga balang akaba kilayo panya tilang akabanya donet da kabaki ai ng baki tiar kimar ki jaj ki jaj kabangila ban penlong ya kaniga professor kaniga singi kabanta.
A slow loris, an endangered species, caused a stir this morning after it entered a home in Mauyong Lom Sintiu village in the West Khasi Hills district. The wild animal was first heard in the upper part of the residence of 1 Tripul Nongset and Skola Yaupnyao around 4 a.m. before they saw it enter the house. They were able to safely capture the animal using a fishing net and later handed the endangered species over to the Wildlife Department. The District Legal Services Authority of West Khasi Hills District today observed Senior Citizens Day by organizing a special awareness program highlighting the legal rights and welfare schemes available for the elderly. The program was held at the Dorbar Hall of Nongtleo Village under the Eastern West Khasi Hills District. The event was aimed at emphasizing the importance of respecting, supporting and valuing senior citizens, recognizing their continued vital role in society as guiding figures for future generations. The immersion of goddess Durga in the West Jantia Hills district took place today at the Mintdu River in Linter. While the celebrations concluded yesterday in other parts of the state, the Sarbajanin Durga Puja committee had previously announced that the immersion in West Jantia would occur the day after Gandhi Jayanti, with the support of the local community. The festivities in Jowai town proceeded peacefully, reflecting the spirit of Durga Puja. As part of the nationwide Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District today organized a special program at the Nongpo shopping complex. The program was attended by Nongpo MLA Miral Bon's aim. The campaign has seen a variety of competitions being held, including drawing, slogan writing and other activities, culminating today with a poetry reading competition by students. During the program, prizes were distributed to all the winners of the district different competitions held on the themes of cleanliness and sanitation.
Kami Ang igreja pun kesempatan itu bagi orang jadi benar kita berdoa ini bagi sub jadi bagi saya tidak lain bagi sar yang ingin terpongin ulangin lebih sedikit jadi bersih bagi kita.
The Singapore Police Force has extended the autopsy report of late Assamese singer Zubeen Garg to the High Commission of India in Singapore. According to a statement issued by the police, a copy of the autopsy report along with their preliminary findings on his passing has been handed over to the Indian authorities. The Crime Investigation Department of Assam Police arrested Zubeen Garg's co-musician Shekhar Jyoti Goswami and co-singer Amrit Prava Mahanta, taking the total arrests in the case to 4. On Wednesday, Assam police arrested Shyam Kanu Mahanta, the main organizer of North East India Festival in Singapore, and Zubeen Garg's manager Siddharth Sharma.
Investigation जो process है, that is they are doing their own way. तो उसके बारे में हम लोगों को तो अभी कमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए और हमको इतना ज्ञान भी नहीं है इसके बारे में. We have so let law take its own way. और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है हम लोगों का लीगल सिस्टम जो है पूरे न्याय मिलेगी और इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है बिल्कुल प्रॉपर्ली होगा और जो दोषी है जो भी हुआ उस दिन जो हम लोगों को मतलब whatever we want to know that we will get to know very soon, and whoever is if anyone is a culprit then they will be punished very soon.
Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today highlighted the need for 8% GDP growth to meet the goal of Viksit Bharat. Addressing the inaugural session of the Kautilya Economic Conclave in New Delhi, Sitharaman asserted that the country's economy is resilient and continues to grow sustainably and its capacity to absorb global shocks is strong. She added that the country's growth is firmly anchored in its domestic factors amid global volatility.
This conclave provides an invaluable opportunity to bring together distinguished economists and policymakers, sharing ideas and engaging in meaningful discussions to solve critical common challenges which most nations face. Is absolutely a responsibility that this gathering cannot shirk away.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature of 24 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature of 28 degrees Celsius were recorded. The relative humidity is 82% and rainfall 14.4 millimeters. Moving on to Shillong, 18 degrees Celsius of minimum temperature and 24 degrees Celsius of maximum temperature were recorded today. The relative humidity is 80% and rainfall 20.9 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 86% and rainfall 8 millimeters were recorded. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says thundershower is likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat completes 11 years of engaging citizens. SSA teachers body to meet on 6th October over pay, TET and job security. Ignoring advisory proves costly as landslide damages vehicle at Pomlom along Shillong-Dawki Road. And Umdihar Presbyterian Church hosts Food Fest for Youth Week and Synod preparation. And that's all we have for you today in this news bulletin. Until tomorrow, thank you for watching. Good night.
ৰিমান্ড ল'বলৈ সক্ষম হ'ল সাধাৰণতে কোনো ন্যায়ালয়ে 14 দিন পুলিচ ৰিমান্ড নিদিয়ে